Every programmer remembers their first line of code. Not a game, not an app, just two words on the screen. Hello, world. But why choose these simple words rather than any other message? Well, the story of Hello World goes back to the 1970s, when computers were the size of fridges and programmers looked like wizards typing into glowing terminals. The phrase first appeared in a 1972 book called A Tutorial Introduction to the Language B, written by Brian Kernighan, one of the legends of computer science. In his book, he wanted the simplest possible program that proved your code actually ran. And what's simpler than printing text? So he chose Hello World, probably because it felt cheerful, like your program was alive and greeting you. Later, when Kernighan co-authored the famous 1978 book, The C Programming Language with Dennis Ritchie, they reused the same example. That book became the programmer's Bible, and because every CS professor copied it, every student in the 80s and 90s ended up typing Hello World as their first program. Fast forward to today, and it's basically a rite of passage. Printing Hello World is like joining a secret club of developers. It's our digital handshake. Think about it. Billions of people have written this same line of code in hundreds of languages, from C to Python, from Java to even brain-melting languages like brainfuck. So next time you type it, remember, you're not just writing a cliché example. You're carrying on a 50-year-old tradition started by pioneers who needed the simplest proof their code worked. Hello World isn't just code. It's the beginning of every developer's journey. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.